Hey there, I wanna show you top 5 best products. So welcome to my channel where we dive deep into the world of online shopping to bring you your top picks. Let's go. All the products links will be found in description and you can buy from there. This is the kitchen product sliding pizza pal for the super easy transfer pizza dough. Are you tired to struggling to you transfer your homemade pizza into the oven without a mass? Well, say goodbye to those one because today we are introducing you to ultimate solution, the sliding pizza pal. This is not just any ordinary pizza pal. This is the sliding pizza pal designed to make your pizza experience a breeze. With its innovative design, it is the perfect tool for transfer your pizza effortlessly. Gone are the day of transfer your pizza into oven and risk is a messy disaster. With the sliding pizza pal, all you have to do is slide it under your pizza, lift and effortlessly transfer in onto your reheated oven stone and pizza style. And check out this non-stick surface. Plus the sturdy handle provide a comfortable grip, giving you the full control over your pizza transfer. When you are a beginner in the kitchen, and sliding pizza pal is a game changer. It's 12 inches size, ensure it and accommodate pizza of various size. So if you are ready to take your pizza making skill to the next level and say goodbye to a messy transfer, then you need to sliding pizza pal in your life. Do not forget to click the link in the description below to get your hand on the sliding pizza pal today. Happy pizza making! Or you look for the perfect way to show your prized coin, medal and jewelry? Well, look no further because we're introducing you to ultimate solution, the coin display case. Whether you are just starting your collection, these coin display cases are the must. Each set comes with 5 3D display frames, complete with stand, providing you the perfect platform to display. The display frame create a 3D floating effect, making your coin, medal and jewelry appear as if they are suspended in mid-air. It adds to touch elegance to any display. Check out the clear box design. It not only offer protect for your atom but also ensure maximum visibility, allow every deal to shine through. So if you are ready to take your collection display to next level, then you need to coin display case set in your life. Link in the description by now. Are you ready to take your playtime to new height with the hottest trend in bounding fun? Let's go. Introducing space ball to high bouncing ball that are out of this world. This product is specially for your children. These space ball are sure to bring endless hour of entertainment. With their super high bouncing and fun space themed design, they are perfect for indoor and outdoor play. Just one bounce and you will see why space ball are take off the town. These bouncing ball defy gravity with the incredible bounce, providing endless fun for kids and adult alike. And thanks for their easy to grip design, improve hand-eye coordination while having a blast. It's a win-win. But wait, there are more. These space balls are not only super bouncing but also super disable made to withstand even the most enhanced play section. They are built to last. Link in the description by now. If you are tired of dealing slow charging speed while the road, no problem dude. I introduce you to Super Retractable Car Charger 4-in-1. This is not just any ordinary car charger. The SUPERONE retractable charger is designed to make your charging experience in the car to next level. With its retractable cord and 4-in-1 design, this car charger is a game changer. No more dealing with the messy cable jumper up your car space. Plus, it comes with USB-C and lighting adapter, making it compatible with the wide range of devices, including the least iPhone and Galaxy models. And when we say the super fast charger, we mean it. The SUPERONE retractable car charger deliver lightning fast charger speed, so you can juice up your device into no time. Whether you are going to road trip and simply running around the town, the SUPERONE retractable car charger is the perfect companion to keep your device powered up and ready to go. If you are ready to say goodbye to slow charging in your car, then you need to SUPERONE retractable car charger in your life. Link in the description by now. Are you try to struggling to keep your favorite chips and snacks fresh after opening the bag? Well, say goodbye to stale snacks because today we are introducing you to mini chips bag sealer. This bag sealer is portable sealing machine that keep your snack fresh and crispy with just a simple swipe. With its built-in heat seal, this mini sealing machine reseal plastic bag in second, looking in freshness and flavor. No more struggling with the twist and clip clap, just seal and go. And the best part, this mini chips bag sealer is compatible and portable, making it perfect for on-the-go snacking. Plus, it comes with the magnet so you can store it on your bag or any metal surface. Whether you are packing lunches, storing leftover and just love to snack, the mini bag sealer are the game changer. And with 2 AA batteries, including you to start sealing and saving your snacks right out of the box. So if you are ready to say goodbye to stale snacks and hello to freshness on the go, then you need to mini chip bag sealer in your life. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed discovering of least and greatest product in this video. If you are interested to any product feature in this video, you can find the link in the description below. Which product you like most, comment us. Let's meet in the next video. Stay safe.